Oh! Are we live? Are we aesthetic? Are we good? One sec. This should be... Stream... Okay, go to my channel here. View my channel. Good. Pop out the chat. I'd like this to be displayed at all times, but that's probably not going to happen. What I need to do, take the chat URL and say, hey, OBS. No, no, I want that. I didn't mean to do that. Where'd it go? I better, Oh, can I not do that right now? Is that not a thing I can do at the moment? Where did it go? This... OBS only has one window open. So... Fade. Eh, 625. That'll do. Cool. Docs. Reset docs. Unhide these docs from the docs menu if you want them to be visible. Yay! Okay, we're good. I need to see if I can add text p thread, text file. No, that's not how it works. Delete. Delete. How do I delete? Yes. So, few things, everybody. I'm back after having been gone for a while. I had some, I won't even say I had, like, life stuff to deal with, because I didn't. Let me add a source. Window, no, I want screen capture. Pipewire versus XSHM. Art monitor. That's not what I wanted at all. Properties. Screen. That one. Hee hee, crop top. Better put the webcam on top of that. There we go. So now when I switch desktops. Oh, you can't even... Well, no, you can see the whole thing. Okay. Alright, so what I really need to do is rename this whole stream to be... No, I don't want to do that. Manage videos. Can I manage my live broadcast? Edit. Details. Yes, I can. Fantastic. Let me just go back to this for a minute. Let me go back over to here and call this my Linux setup stream. .02, I think. Perfect. Will not restrict this video to 18 plus because I don't plan on having any not safe for work references or anything on stream today. Let me go back to the actual stream itself so I can see chat if it comes through. Okay, back over to here. How would I add, what if I did this? Not bad. Window capture, text, teleport, stroke, source switcher, source clone, shadow, screen capture, scene, replay source, output source, NDI, multi-source, effect. Wow. G-streamer source, game capture, face tracker, execute command, DVD screensaver. Okay, these earbuds, I went to Stratosphere. Let me turn that down, actually. There we go. I went to Stratosphere this year, Stratosphere 2025, and I lost my Jabra Elite earbuds on my way home. I think they're at my brother's place, which, no big deal. So I came back, and for 70 bucks, I went ahead and got these JBL Tune Buds from Micro Center, because there's a Micro Center near where I live. And I will say, they're good for short 2 to 6 hour runs, but wearing them all day at work and then all day on stream, or all night on stream, is really going to make my ears hurt. Because I can tell that these things are not circular. Okay, let me get a reference window of Firefox open just so I can say, first of all, I tried to start streaming just a minute ago, and I tried to set up a keyboard shortcut, and the keyboard shortcut I wanted to be start stream was Control-Alt-F12. I went ahead and tried to put that in, and my entire system just snapped to black. And I got freaked out. I was like, did I break it? Is this how we die? Did I break the thing? Did I break the system? I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did, but I better not do it again. So let me just Google real quick. System, but actually the monitor capture. Oh damn! I did not realize. I need to switch what monitor this is. As a matter of fact, I could rename this scene to System 1. Duplicate. System 2. Duplicate. System 3. System 2's properties need to say... Oh, no. We're going to screen DP... Nope, not 2, 4. Okay, so it looks like my other Mozilla stuff hasn't come up here from my Windows machine. Which is good. System 3... System 2 has that. System 3... Wait. Oh. I see what happened. 0. Yeah. Cool. System 2. Screen capture. Center monitor underneath the webcam. We're gonna pick DP4. Center monitor. Remove. Yes, I do. Screen capture. XSHM. Work screen. Yeah. And that's correct. Cool. So System 2 has art monitor, then the System 1 is art monitor. Hey, by the way, these sources started way too big for my canvas. Awesome. So now, Ubuntu Control Alt F12. Oh. What does Alt F8 to F10 do? Control Alt F something, or just Alt something when not in X11, the GUI, switches to the nth virtual console. We talk about a virtual console as a usable text console, so we often say that there are 6 virtual consoles accessible with Alt F1 through F6, holding down Control 2 if you're in the GUI when you want to switch. And we often say that then, separately, is the GUI which can be switched back to with Alt F7. Okay. I didn't click. But in fact, TTY7, where the GUI typically runs, is a virtual console too. It's not just usable as a text console because it doesn't have Getty running for it. Getty runs for TTY1 through TTY6 by default. Getty sets a virtual console up to be used like a terminal and runs login to prompt for a username and password. You can see the Getty commands are running by filtering the output of PS. Huh. So those are background processes where you can run terminal-style shit separate from your GUI. Cool. Windows wouldn't do that. Oh, no. Oh, wait. I realized that's the window I have Discord in. Cool. I just realized the solution for that. Oh well. Okay. So, I have a bunch of programs I need to get set up for working on this kind of stuff, and I'm switching between desktops with the Control-Alt arrow keys, which is really cool, by the way, that I have that capability. Can I just move this over here? Holy shit, that's so cool. Alright, so that'll be my stream and background tooling. Wait. Wait, don't delete the... oh, man. Oh. Yeah. System 1. Switch over to that one so that I can look over here to the stream and be like, yeah. Awesome. Engage with your audience. Start a poll. Oh. Cool. Okay, so OBS works with chat. Let me find out how. OBS chat overlay. First, create an overlay in the chosen service, then add it to the browser source, or add it as a browser source in OBS, linking to the overlay's unique URL. No, I'd rather not. Not for Twitch. YouTube chat overlay. There's a fruit fly, several of them actually, buzzing around my apartment, and I'm trying to kill them. At gmail.com. What password did I use for this? Not that one. Not that one either. Not that one either. Wait, when I... Damn, that doesn't even clip my mic. what? Oh, I don't know what that... Oh, good. I like that. I like that a lot. Control stats, scene switcher, vertical soundboard, view. You know what? Let's consult my phone. The end of the what? Musk, Gates, and Zuckerberg announced the end of the smartphone. I don't think so. Okay. Oh my god. Settings, please. Oh. This phone is about to drive me nuts. Not a fan? That is not appreciated. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh dear. Oh no. OBS is not one of the accounts that Google knows about. Well, wait. I could be logged into the wrong profile. Yeah, if I do this one, this is different. So if I say OBS, no. Never mind. All right. Yeah, you can watch me lose hair in real time. Wrong. Oh, wait, I didn't have that. Okay. Mail.google.com. Duo says it's been 3 days. Duo the owl. Thank you, Dr. K, but I'm good for the night. Let's see. OBS. Jobs. Oh. Haha. When did I... Oldest. Fuck off. Maybe I don't have an OBS forum account. OBS? No? That's right, this this installation of Firefox only has one, or 3 of my passwords so far. Username. Cool. At gmail.com. There we go. I'm not a robot. Here are bridges. I see bridges. That's not a bridge. Great. I agree to the terms of privacy policy. Register. Nice. Refresh. Such riveting content this is, I know. Oh, it shows up for me now. Hi. Hello, Kari. Good evening. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out the chat so that I can continue watching it. Although it's not gonna follow me from one desktop to another. What I can do is size it over here. Actually, I'm gonna put it over here. Keep the width, keep the width. It's been so long. It's been so long, she says. No, sorry, I'm trying to get, here we go, account confirmation, confirm email. I'm glad they don't have to do this, like, through postage or some shit. That would be horrible. Registration is now complete. Cool. Refresh, please. Go back. Document expired. Whoa, okay, here we go. I found this tutorial. How to create a browser capture in OBS Studio for YouTube chat. What's this? You don't have permission? The browser source displays anything it receives in real time. Yeah, I know. 640 on this video. He's got a lot of scenes. Here, let me pause the music here. Oh, and unmute this.
But what I like to do is create a scene, and then I can drop that scene into any of my other scenes as required, as a separate source. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a scene here.
Live chat screen.
I've created one here already called live chat screen, but just, you know, create one, call it live chat screen, whatever you want to call it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a window capture here.
Oof.
I've already got one called live chat. You can call it whatever you want, just put it in there, but I'm going to select an existing one I've got here, and we're going to select it there. Now, because I'm on a 4K screen, it's really massive, so I'm just going to make that a bit smaller. There we are. Right, don't make it full screen, I'll tell you, because we're going to be cropping this later. So you can make the sort of comments as big as you want. Now what we're going to do now is we need to crop it down a bit. So here we need to press the Alt, select these little kind of little squares here, press Alt, select it, and then we crop it down there, and then the same with the top. Yeah, press Alt, select the little red square, pull it down.
Yeah, but from what window did you capture that?
As close as you can get, really, without, you know, cutting into your name or anything. So you can have a little thin line of black showing there. But there we go. So that is the box cropped. There is your chat, and then if I click on any of the other chat in the actual chat box over on YouTube in the pop-out chat box, you can see how it just pops up those comments there. Lovely. So now what we want to do is remove the black, okay, so the around the edges, so that it's transparent. And the way that you do that is you basically add a filter. So I've added a filter here already. So if you didn't have a filter, let's take that away. Okay, so add a filter, because what I have now at the moment is a black box, and we want to get rid of this black. So just add the filter. We're going to do a color key. That's okay. Okay, and we're going to go custom color. Select color. Now I happen to know that it's a pure sort of black, so it's 0, 0, 0. It's basically all the zeros.
Yeah.
Is that enough zeros? Can't remember.
6 of them.
Anyway, they're all the zeros.
Yeah.
And that's all fine. Now, so what that means is that now this should be transparent. Okay? So now, if we go to, say, your main scene, now we've got it all cropped and lovely. What we need to do now is select the scene that we want to drop it into. So we're going to drop it into this scene here. Okay, I like to do it this way because if you set something up as a scene, it's very easy then to import it into multiple other scenes. So what we're going to do is here is add scene, and I've already got it here, so we're going to add the live chat.
I was just reading the katakana in his name here.
And boom, there it is. So you can click on that, and I can move it about.
Huh.
I can resize it.
So there's chroma key and there's color key. Those are different things, apparently. So if I... Oh my. Oh, I didn't see your Discord message, Kari, whenever you were having trouble with the stream showing up. So if I take this chat window, I'm gonna have to do this every time, aren't I? Well, alright, if that's the pre-setup I need to do, let me go ahead and add URL source, live chat. I'm not into cat facts. JSON pointer, dynamic input, method, get, save. Thank you. Update timer. 200 milliseconds. Run while not visible. Yes, please. Output text source. Okay. Kari, go ahead and ping me with a message, will you? Wrong. Oh, that's not supposed to be... No, I'm sorry, hang on. Yep, I did that wrong. URL source, video capture, window capture, shadow screen. Let's go window capture. Live chat. Wants to share my screen. That one. Oh. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's very annoying. It doesn't exist. Let's try again. Sorry, I just got an error message here. Details. Signal 11. Reading unknown VMA. I'm not, I'm not too keen on exactly what that means, so I'm not going to bother deciphering all that right now. I figured it out like right away. Awesome. Glad to hear. When I did that, oh, the stream popped up. Okay, but if I do this, get pinged. That's not what I was talking about. I was talking about the YouTube chat. Well, alright, let's see if I can get a chat over my face cam. Shadow, screen capture, output source. I think I know the problem. Can I split these amongst... I mean... Cool? Yeah, it's not wanting me to ping you on here. Yeah, but don't worry. I figured something out. Let me change this to that. I used to have an OBS extension. Let me see. Source copy, scripts, output timer, automatic scene switcher, scene collection, docs, device switcher. That's cool. Countdown timer, scene notes, vertical scenes, scene transition, vertical soundboard, view. Oops. Always on top. Transform order, preview scaling law, advanced audio properties. Advanced? No. OBS is supposed to have like modules you can add on for things like YouTube chat, I thought. Okay. Stream Elements, it will do this in a prettier way. Alright, let's try Stream Elements. For OBS. SE.live is an OBS plugin. Download SE Live. It's an exe file. No, you don't understand. I'm on Linux. For advertisers, resources, support. Linux. As of right now, we do not have a timeline as to when Linux will be actively supported by our software. Keep an eye on our socials. That's where we will post any updates. That was 3 months ago. So Stream Elements is not available on Linux at all. No. Got it. Okay, so Stream Elements is out of the question. OBS plugins Linux. Plugins. List of community-made plugins on the forums. Audio monitor. How about I search chat? Doesn't like that. I guess I could have it here for a little while. Audio monitor, droid cam, advanced scene switcher, deck link output filter, soundboard dock, shader tastic, move, record rename, OBS shader filter, draw, 3D effect, OBS shadow play, droid cam. Webcam-based heart rate monitoring for live streamers? Webcam-based? I don't know if OBS Studio plugins, themes, tools. Tools is what I'm looking for. Weather forecast. Plugin manager. Windows. Well, nobody said this was going to be easy. For some reason it's not showing up in OBS. The plugin is movie transition. Okay, you know what? OBS chat plugin YouTube Linux. Read the whole thing. To display a YouTube chat overlay in OBS Studio on Linux, you can use a browser source and a pop-out chat window from the YouTube Live dashboard, or utilize a third-party plugin like Caster Labs. Okay. Caster Labs. Chat. Caster Labs. Download for Windows. Download and install Caster Labs. Copy the chat overlay. Dude, I don't think you AI doesn't understand that why doesn't it do that anymore? This is on Fedora. When you're logging in, there's a cogwheel on the bottom right. Defaults to GNOME. Swap it to GNOME with Xorg. Then I had to reinstall OBS Studio again from the RPMs, but I found it kept my configuration files of OBS Studio when I ran it in Wayland. Everything worked after that. Okay, how long ago was that? From multiple sources. Restream.io. Restream. Multi-stream and reach your audience wherever they are. No, I don't. That's a different piece of streaming software. OBS chat plugin. Sure, why not?
Okay, let's do the transparent Twitch overlay, because that's what the kids are into these days. But it's also helpful for anything else. Housekeeping first. Stylish custom themes. This is going to work for Chromium, Vivaldi, Chrome, Chrome Beta, and Foxfire. There is a plugin for that. So, get that installed. Step 2, userstyles.org, Twitch Dark Black Customizable Theme. There's no button here, but, you know, let's just give it a quick refresh, and it should appear, I do believe. There it is. Hit that. And okay. Pretty much done. But we do need some Twitch chat. I'm just going to dig around and find an active one. I was using this one earlier when I was testing how this worked out. And you can see the plugin and theme are doing their things. Black or dark gray background. That's what you want to key against, not white. That just does not work. Popped out the chat. Almost done. There's like 2 or 3 more steps to this. But one of the first steps is the new window capture with Xcomposite. Name it something. I'm going to name it Twitch. That'll work. It's a bit of alright.
Wait. It was a what capture?
One of those first steps is
What capture was
new
it?
window capture with Xcomposite.
Window capture X composite? Okay. So window capture live chat window. Oh boy. Wait. I have 2 chats popped out. Oh, that's bad. Oh. So if I put that just down there, but I put this up here, let me do a thing here. I might be able to make this work. that. Snap. Boom. Okay. Filter. Ah, damn it. These guys are fast. Blending, scale, filtering. Clear. Add. Filter isn't an option. Filters. Here we go. Add a filter. Color key. Race. Black. Custom color. Okay. Close. Yo. Yo, shut the fuck up. That's actually kind of cool. It's working! But one thing I want to check. First of all... Oh, it wasn't there. Hey, bring this. No. It's working. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Let's go. You have no fucking idea. Yes. Okay. Remember the plan. I have to set up a few more things. This. I fucking love Linux. You could set this. I can set any window I want. And this isn't like a software thing for OBS. This is a thing in Linux natively. I can right click. Let me show you. If I go to my second monitor here. Okay. This is not important. That's not important. But if I take this chat window right here and I right click, first of all I can say always on top. So that no matter what window it's in, it's always the top layer. And like even if I resize this, no, not that one. If I, well, haha. If I resize this to full screen, the chat window is still on top. So there's that. But here's the other thing. If I right click it, always on visible workspace. So now, so before I did that, if I went to a different workspace, it disappears because I go to a different desktop. But now, if I say always on visible workspace and I go to a different workspace, it's still here. That's so cool. Windows doesn't do that. Windows can't, well, I mean, could, but doesn't. Like, they just don't do that. So yeah, Kari, when you say let's go, it's like, let's go. I need a BRB GIF. I need like a be right back thing. No, don't full screen. I just want to take this. Drag this against here. Okay. images.google.com. Be right back. More. Tools. Type. GIF. Which one do you think? I'll animate my own at some point, but for now, I just need one of these that's like royalty free. I also need water. Or I might just grab a beer. The Newgrounds one. Be right back. Oh! Hannibal kicking. Yeah. I don't need y'all seeing my folder structure. Downloads, documents, pictures. Not screenshots. Streaming. No, honestly, that's a good one. Save. Let me add a new scene called BRB. Huh. I promise this won't take long. Output source, media source, image. BRB. Yeah. Image file. I put it in home. Oh, that's good. That's good. I like that one. I like that one a lot. These dog's about to get taken away. Yeah, so now I can switch between workspaces and, well, yeah, we'll put that one over here. God, that's so cool. Okay. What are the things I want to learn how to do? Number one is I want to set up FreeCAD. So, oh, I also oh, who's pinging me? Okay, I need to deal with that later. I can't deal with that right now. Damn it, brain. I know I had a ton of caffeine today, but please function. For fuck's sake. Could I... Oh, that's the advantage of putting the chat. Yeah. Into all my different scenes. And so if I make any changes... You know what? Let's put it there too. So yeah, no matter what scene I'm in, the chat always shows up on... The chat always shows up here. You know, just like right over on this bar. But then also, I have it to where it's always showing up in the same place on the same monitor no matter what desktop I'm on. That alone is so sick. That alone is so cool. But oh, I'm basically just gonna have all these programs open all the time because if I recall, do I not have the system monitor open? Oh, you know what? I could just do this. System monitor. Awesome. That's going to be one of my back-end things. So I'm going to put that... Where? I don't know. Like... Why did I want this again? Oh, I know why. So that I could watch my RAM fill up as I start opening up programs. Okay, so on the maintenance side, that's right there. This would be my gaming monitor. That's like a reading monitor and research for stuff like a browser window. That is for drawing. This is for gaming and working. So, gaming. Just remove order. Oh, I get it. Add source, screen capture, work screen. Yeah, but I don't want to do that right now. Face cam. Okay. FreeCAD. Audio editing. Video editing. Face cam, please. Face cam. Thank you. For God's sake. FreeCAD Dark. Language, navigation style, Blender? Open Inventor. Yeah, that's what I want. Because I use Inventor at work. So... Georgie, welcome! Welcome, welcome. You're in the middle of something very boring. But as a matter of fact... Came in at a weird time, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a drink. So for the time being, I'm gonna say, be right back. Okay, I return. Cheers. Can't believe my hair's already like this greasy and messed up after showering like twice today. That wasn't the morning though. I think it's about time for me to get another haircut. Anyway, that's FreeCAD. I'm gonna pop this just over there so I can see. Okay, I need to show you guys what's going on. So let me go to CAD, except also, gotcha. Webcam, copy. Paste. 3D modeling, paste. Gaming, paste. Audio, paste. Photos, paste. Writing, paste. Drawing, paste. Video editing, paste. It's all here. Cool. Right. Chat goes on top of the webcam. And as a matter of fact, y'all probably can't read that. Zoom in? No? Save page as select all. No, that doesn't work. Okay. Well, I'll make it work. CAD. Window capture. Yeah. My monitors are 2K, so they're freaking enormous. Why? Why have thine proportions betrayed me? Order, move to top. Live chat. Move up. cool. Here's the thing. If I go to 3D modeling, oh, this is going to be one of those. Alright, that's what I wanted. So now, if I set this up, part design example, assembly example. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I mean, I'm cool with the fact that this is how this happens, but my 3D joystick doesn't work. Mirrored live pattern file. Open. I have legit never used FreeCAD before. Need an active body object in the document. Make one active or create one. How about, I don't know, Blender? Oh, okay, so now it's actually, yeah, that's your orbit with the middle mouse button. And you zoom, orbit that point. Oh, I like that orbiting scheme so much better. Huh. Okay, so if I wanted to make a cube, I think I got him, finally. If I want to make a cube, if I just want to make a shape, create a sketch, XY plane. Wait, but what kind of rectangle? Oh, centered rectangle? Let's go 50 by 50 millimeters. Now what's my finish sketch button? Damn, thought I had him. Constraint. Close, that's how. What do they call it? Pad? Still here, by the way, just hella multitasking. Hey, me too, and you can see it in real time. 50, symmetric to plane. Oh, it does tapers. Huh. That's gonna be hella powerful. Hit OK. Create body. Ah, okay, hang on. There we go. Yeah, this is a fairly intuitive system to which I'm fairly native. But oh, material. It has suppression. Tools, views. Clipping plane, persistent section cut, visibility. Hey, real quick. Reverse engineering. Sketcher. Spreadsheet, surface, tech draw, test framework, part. What is this? sweep? Same? Yeah, no, for real. Extrude. Fillet. All. Yo, you can checkbox select these damn things? Oh wait, do you have to? Selection not allowed by filter. Command not done. What's wrong? Oh. There we go. Okay. Close without saving. Alright, so CAD is a go. CAD is a go. Next one. Blender. Now this one I have zero experience with, but 3D modeling is going to be the title of my scene. Window capture, X composite, create new, Blender. Sure, just as soon as I put this, give it the right size. Live chat, order, move to top, control home. Okay, webcam, control home. Oh, that's intuitive. So now Blender, I can rotate through a scene. I can select my camera. Oh, that's neat. Did I just change the focal length? I may have. I did. So that changes your FOV of your camera. How do I do a shift? Nope. Is it by where you click it? Yep, it is. So if I click it here. How do... Oh, I forgot you can make multiple cameras and multiple light sources. Cube. Oh. Uh-huh. All right, I have a scene set up for Blender. Nice. I also have 0 experience in Blender. Want to change that? You could probably get yours vicariously through me for now. Once I start getting to grips with it a bit more. Gaming. Yeah, that's just gonna have to be this, isn't it? Oops. Fun times. Nope, come on. Cool. Yeah, okay, that's correct. Oh, except the chat's supposed to be on, well, not on top, but control home? Order, move up because control up. Gotcha. All right. Drawing. That is going to be Krita. Oh, no. Maybe it is Krita. Hold up. Oh, yeah, it is. That's over here, next to my drawing tablet. After which I'll probably just move this over here. Yeah. Okay, so drawing, live chat, webcam, hey, window capture. That one. Hit OK. Instead of moving the other two, here's what I'm gonna do. Krita will move to the bottom. So control end. Awesome. Cool. Next one is writing. Actually, no. Writing's gonna be way the fuck down here. Photos. Photos will be dark table. That was a pretty harsh shift. Oh, right. I still haven't switched my graphics card yet. Oh, good. It's ready. Okay. Next composite. Dark table. Dark table. Hit OK. Control end. Nice. I think that's about set up pretty much. Actually, I gotta do the same thing with Krita. Gaming. Yeah, same nonsense. Gotta do this. Or do you know what? Well, too late now. So, Georgia, what'd you end up having for dinner? Like, where'd you go? Not that it's my business, just, you mentioned you didn't know where you were going for dinner. Good. The CAD one actually needs to be embiggened just a little bit. Face cam. It's right there. Steak and mashed potatoes? Hell yeah. Can I not, like, zoom out of my canvas? No? There. Didn't mean to do that. Nope. Mother bitch hell. Don't do this to me. Sorry, I'm just resizing the chat windows to where they make sense and fit. Where'd you end up getting the steak and mashed potatoes from anyway? Oh, I haven't done these yet. I actually need two cheddars. Fuck yeah, cheddars. I haven't been to cheddars in a while. Let's see. Put that away. There we go. There we go. Ow. Oh. The one where I live is pretty good. Nice. I'm glad to hear it. Let me go to... let's see. Video editing freeware. Oh, DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is free? Visual effects and audio post-production video editing application for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. It's proprietary. I don't think Florida had it. Sometimes the local furries meet up there. I ought to go sometime. Yeah, it's a scratch kitchen, so be prepared to pay for scratch cooking prices. But honestly, anytime they cook meat, it's good. Like, it's good. It's really good. Their grilled chicken is good. I know that. And their mac and cheese. Their, like, oven-baked mac and cheese is famous. Oh, that's part of the music. Okay. The price isn't too bad. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's no Longhorn Steakhouse, I'll tell you that. DaVinci anamorph into a rat and enjoy my cheese. Publish Resolve as a flat pack. Still never been to Longhorn? It's good, but it's expensive. Honestly, Sam, I love cheese. This repo allows you to package DaVinci Resolve as a flat pack, where there aren't easier installation options. Still a work in progress. If you have App Image Launcher installed and enabled, you need to temporarily disable it. Clone this repo with that. Okay, so Control Alt or Control Shift. No. Control Alt T, open a terminal. Hey everybody. This is how you install stuff on Linux. Alright. Sudo git clone https github.com/pub the builder resolve flatpak.git recursive configured to package the latest version of Resolve. To build your package, alright, let's just take the sudo off the beginning. Oh. Yes. Meant to ask. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. And then build your package and export to a distributable single file installer. Flatpak builder install deps from equals flathub dash force clean repo equals .repo .build directory com.blackmagic.resolve.yaml command flatpak builder sudo apt install flatpak builder. Yes. Now let's try this again. Failed to open file. Blackmagic Resolve yet. No such file or directory. destination path resolve flatpak already exists and is not an empty directory. Huh. Flatpak. User remote add no GPG verify resolve dash repo dot repo. Server has no summary file. Check the URL passed to remote add was valid. Oh. No. Okay, maybe I don't want to use a flat pack. Free and paid versions for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I don't need that. I'm just gonna pull this over to a window where you can't see it right now. How you use this Blackmagic product. Montage video edit. What features should we add? I have no idea. Yes, save. Alright. If your download does not start automatically shortly, it did. $12K. Oh no, they've got AI tools. Ugh. Sorry, just had to. Yeah, open when completed. I want to see this. Delete. Delete. And opening in 1 second. File roller. Open. What's this? Linux.run. Instructions. Try again. Really? a software folder somewhere. Software. There we go. DaVinci Resolve. Extract. Show me the file. What's this? Download. Or is an zip. Unzip the package. Install from the GUI. From the browser, double-click the installer package. Enter the root password when prompted and follow the instructions. Okay. Run. Or terminal. Huh. Oh, wait. No? Okay. Let's do this a different way. Clear. CD/home software DaVinci Resolve. Too many arguments. CD home. Oh. What? It's right here. Software. I spelled it right. No. Really? Oh, it doesn't like the space. Finally. Why not? I'm learning. Some applications and games have .run installers. Before you installing these, check to see if it's available from the Software Center. It's not. Oh! Well, okay, I did turn that on. Run. Wait. Huh. Oh. Chmod plus X. Not that. Dot run. Cool. Dot slash. Resolve dot run. Loading library fuse. App images require fuse to run. If you run it with the app image extract option. Okay. Sudo apt install fuse. Sudo apt install fuse. Yes. Okay. Just a moment here. Okay. I was worried there for a second because I was working out of this directory. I didn't want to install it in here. Please install the missing packages. Sudo apt install lib apper1 lib app rutil1 liba sound 2 lib 2.0 2.0-0 0 and libxcb cursor 0. Fine. Text editor. New tab. We need these. Let's try them one at a time. Sudo apt install lib apperutil1. Great. Liba sound 2. Virtual package provided by Liba sound 2 T64. automatically installed and are no longer required. Oh, okay. In that case, libglib 2.0-0 sudo apt auto remove. Yeah. Cool. Lib xcb-cursor 0. Awesome. Now, skip package check equals 1. I hate you. Just a little bit. Oh, you know what? It's still... It's still upset. No, deck link driver. Okay, one thing's still bugging me. FreeCAD, the basic driver for Linux is SpaceNav. Grow to understand just how significant CAD and Linux is becoming and offer a driver for us. Upvote an updated Linux driver. Up to now with no real success. What the when is this? Oh, this is back like 2 years ago. 3 years ago. See http://spacenav.sourceforge.net. Let's go there. Yes. Oh. USB devices, serial devices. Full text of the license, official source code releases. You can get the latest source code directly from our Git repositories. Use the following commands to clone a local copy of our repositories. Yeah, sure. For more details about the project, report bugs, there's developers mailing list. Clear, git clone. cool. Build repository terminal. I don't want to create one. Compile. Clone, compile, and branch your code. Navigate to the directory where you'd like to create the local clone of your new project. Create a repository. There's a config file and a make file, so my honest guess is just configure make. Oh. Get more details about how to do it with the above repo. Can I use Windows OS? I downloaded its source code and modified it. I know how to static compile it with CMake, but when I copy executable file to my another Ubuntu machine and run, it gives an error. Missing libraries or files. Oh. Oh, I must have misspelled it. Ah. Sudo apt install CMake. Yes. Cool. Clear. Now I know how to install CMake. Configure? Nope, I'm good. Read me. Okay. Drop-in replacement with any program that was written for the 3D Connection driver, but also provides an improved communication mechanism for programs designed specifically to work with SpaceNav. Documenting how button numbers relate to physical buttons across all 6 degree of freedom devices. License. Dependencies. In order to compile the SpaceNav daemon, you'll need the following: GNU C compiler, GNU make, xlib, xinput2, xtest. You can compile the daemon without xlib, but it won't be compatible with applications that were written for the original proprietary driver. If you have the dependencies installed, just run /configure and then make to compile the daemon, and then make install to install it. The default installation prefix is user local, but if you wish to install somewhere else, you may pass prefix equals whatever to the configure script running SpaceNav. Okay. Let's do this then. Let me go back to the terminal. Delete. Well. Clear. gcc sudo apt install gcc. Okay, I guess the C compiler is is free software. That's great. It's not what I'm after. Sudo apt install new make. Make set to manually installed. Make is already the newest version. Oh, I already have this stuff. Cool. Install xlib. Xlib 11. No. libx 11. Program is free software. Feel free to copy, modify, and or redistribute it under the terms of the GNU General Public License version 3 or at your option any later version published by the Free Software Foundation. See copying for details. In order to compile the spaceNavD daemon, you'll need the following. A GNU C compiler, yeah, GNU make. Didn't think so. I know I'm off screen right now, just give me a moment. I said give me a moment as if you guys haven't. Oh. A library which provides functions for applications running under the X window system. This includes window management as well as event handling. Huh. Oh. Sudo apt install libx11-dev. Ah. Got it. And then also libxi. No. Oh, that's all I needed. Okay, cool. So now, if you have the dependencies installed, just run /configure and then make to compile the daemon. Okay, /configure, but without context, it doesn't know what to do. Daemon process from the Linux terminal. You typically need to compile your code, create a daemon process, often using fork and set ID, manage its life cycle, starting, stopping, reloading using Windows System D. Okay. I want to add a daemon that cannot be stopped and which monitors file system changes. Compile and install programs from source. That's what I'm after. Really limits my enjoyment of Linux. If the application isn't on a repository or if it doesn't have an installer script, then I really struggle. The project will have a website with instructions for how to build and install it. Google for that first. Download a tarball, which is a release of a specific version of the source code. Extract the tarball with a command like tar zxvf, myapptar.gz, or a gzip tarball, or tar bzip tarball. CD into the directory created above. Configure and make and sudo make install. So I have to go into the directory where this is stored. Where did I put it? Ah, shit. I cleared the terminal window. Shit. Oh, here. /configure and make and sudo make install. Okay, well, I don't know where this got stored, so I need to find out where. Space navd extract to home software replacement. Oh no. Space navd in my case. Pretty sure, right? Extract. Show me. Oh. Source. README? Oh. I already have the README. Okay, so now we're almost there. CD home software 3D connection space nav. Oh. Huh? Oh. Really? Download a tarball, which is a release. Extract the tarball with a command like tar for a gzipped tarball, which this was. Okay. CD into the directory created above. I don't want to go into downloads. I want to go here. Huh. CD home no such file or directory. That's not even close to correct. Huh. Installation instructions. And to run the driver, you need root privileges. Fine. Yep. Distributions with libxm so.4 install. Please create a symbolic link to with SUSE Linux 10.x. The USB-FS is not mounted by default. Make sure you mount the USB-FS to get support for the USB controller. Please do as root user. Mount T USB-FS. Okay. Root. No, that's not what I mean. Advanced. Preferences? Huh.
I'd like it to be a happy one.
I've gotten very lost in the weeds with this. Wow. There's a lot to this. Okay. Alt F2. Oh. Well, yeah, okay. SU. What? Super user. Huh. That's weird. I'd say that. Whoa. Really? Oh. Oh, so just using sudo is enough? What is going on? What? What? I'm just gonna not do that, thanks. Okay. You passed an absolute option. Go to the specific path, yet what you really wanted was a relative option. Go to this directory that's inside the current directory. We'll go to test, CD, test, we'll go to... Oh! Well, that shouldn't matter. CD, home, software... Oh. No such file or directory. Ah. CD 3D connection CD space navd. Finally. Holy shit. That was way harder than it had to be. Okay. Dot slash configure. Oh, nope. Okay, still don't know how to use that. If you have the dependencies installed, just run dot slash configure and then make. Make? No targets specified in the make file. Oh, there's still a directory below this. CD space navd dash 1.3.1. There we go. Make. Dot slash configure. Make. Cannot find ltext, no such file or directory. Boy. User bin ld. Cannot find ltext, no such file or directory. Unable to locate package. Okay. Cannot locate dash ltext. A file on a Mac. No, come on. It plays if alert is cancelled. Cannot locate package. Sudo apt-get update. Get update. Make cc space nav source config file dot o dummy USB hot plug FreeBSD source LX11 wait source space nav win32.o source xdetect FreeBSD user bin LD cannot find LX no such file or directory. Collect 2 error LD return 1 exit status. Okay, make install. Huh. Okay. Nuclear at mutantstargoat.com. That's incredible. Oh, wait. Huh. Hey. Just to provide clients with more precision than legacy button events. Install. Extension not found. Okay. What in the world? What is going on? Okay. That is annoying but understandable. Okay. Let me get some keyboard shortcuts running at least. File, settings, hotkeys. Okay, I've got 13 scenes that I need to map. So, oi. Let's go with 3D modeling. That's Blender. So I'm gonna say Control Alt B. No. Control Shift Alt B. Audio editing. That was going to be Audacity, honestly. But I'm gonna wait for that one. Be right back. Control Shift Alt Slash. CAD. Control Shift Alt C. Drawing. Control Shift Alt D. No. Come on. Wait, Control Super Shift. What is that about? That's not super. Why is it doing the super key? Unless... Huh. Okay. Huh. It's the order in which I press them. I see. Krita is K. Face cam. I haven't used F yet, have I? Control Alt Shift U. Control Alt Shift G for game. Photos. Control Alt Shift P. System 1. So if I want to show screen 1, that would be Control Alt 1. Control Alt 2. Control Alt 3. Video editing. Have I used V yet? Control Alt Shift V. Writing. Control Alt Shift W. And then finally, let's see. Start, not vertical. Start streaming. Control Alt 1. Stop. Control Alt 0. Nice. apply. Okay. So now if I say Control Alt Shift B, switches to Blender. Control Alt Shift K, switches to Krita. Control Alt Shift D, should have switched to Darktable. File, settings, hotkeys, photos. Oh, Control Alt Shift P. Yeah. Control Alt Shift P goes to Darktable for photos. Very nice. Control Alt 1 shows my one monitor. Control Alt 2. Control Alt 3. Nice. I haven't set up my writing. What is this? Version 24. Do you want to learn what's new? No, I don't. LibreOffice Writer. You. Double page, please. Window. File. Preference. Edit. Preferences. View. Format, styles, table, form, to the window. Tools. Options. Nope. Customize. Events, menus. I want this in dark mode. Auto redact, heading numbering, form. Table, styles, format, insert, view. White space, text boundaries, grid. User interface. Standard is fine. Save as, save a copy, export, send, print preview, printer settings, properties. Oh, it's a document properties. No. Toolbars, rulers, field names, sidebar, styles, gallery, navigator, data sources. Theme. Columns. Insert view. Okay, here we go. Did they take it away? Arrange, group, styles. Come on, where the hell is it? Tools. Options? Come on. Personalization. Application colors. Dark. Apply. Found it. Really digging the soft instrumentals of one list. Yeah, for real. Okay, so for writing, I was like, this is an Ariana Grande song. I think it is, yeah. I think it is. I didn't care. I just had it playing, and I was like, yeah, whatever the fuck, okay. Right. Add a source, window capture, writer, LibreOffice writer. Ah, here it is. Goes by document title. Yo. Took me a bit to catch on to it, but I know I recognized the beat. Yeah. That's a fun one. Oh. Okay. We're almost there. I'm gonna leave that alone, except that I would like writing to be done. Let me see. Get rid of this. Discard. Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. I can sort of trust that, yeah. Ow. Oh, these earbuds are killers. Like, they're comfy enough to wear, but... Okay. The fact that any of this works this well is a miracle. Oh, man. So if I say Control-Alt-Shift-W, it switches over to LibreOffice Writer, even though I can't see it. You guys can. Which is really cool to me, honestly. The fact that that's able to work like that. Cool. What I'll probably do is put this over here. Ugh. That's what I'll do for the writing window. Photos, dark table. Same thing. Put this over here, and I'm actually going to do this. Because I know the settings go over here. They go over the other way. Okay. App Center. Open shot. Open shot video editor. Install. In the meantime, FreeCAD and Blender in the same window. Krita. So OBS is on desktop 4. These two need to go to desktop 3. Let's do FreeCAD over here. Ugh. Wait. Desktop 2 is creative. Desktop 4 is backend stuff. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot damn. Can't stop yawning, jeez. Okay, that's Darktable. No, that's Krita. Okay. Krita. The stream itself goes in that window. Writing. Yeah. Desk work makes me yawn a lot too. I feel that, even if I'm having fun. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's common, but it's also getting late for me because I don't normally stay up to past like 10 or 11. So, let me see here. Number 1 is where I live. That's where I'm gonna live. My stuff will stay on desktop number 1. Old man, fuck you. I've been an old man since I was 5. Somebody's gotta give me shit, I know. Alright, so we got 4 watching? Hell yeah. Oi, Jesus. Right, right. That is not what I needed. That's not what I needed either. Hey, OBS, where'd you go? There you are. Video editing. Open shot. Cool. Sure, collect analytics. I already know how to use this program. I've been through this before. Let me go ahead. That's back end. Huh. Darktable is on desktop 3. That's where my CAD stuff is. Why is my CAD stuff there? No, photo and video editing should be on desktop 4. Or 5. Jesus. Close that, open this. Close Firefox for now. That's video editing. That screen's gonna be for audio editing. Hey, Audacity. Oh, good. I got the firecrackers going. Skip. I don't need to recover nothing. Cool. So, audio and video editing. Next desktop over. CAD 3D modeling. Image editing. So actually this belongs on this desktop. Desktop 2, drawing, writing, probably a reference window. Oh, that's what that is. Oh. New window. Cool. And then desktop number 5 is OBS system monitor. Talking of, I have 64 gigs of RAM. I'm only using 12, and all of this is currently happening. Like, all these programs are open and they will stay open. Freaking insane. Video editing. Hey, I need a window capture of open shot. Where is it? Aha, here we go. Hey. No. For video editing, it would be better to put my face in the chat over here. That way the preview window shows up here. Probably put this over here. I still want to see the chat though. Oh man. I guess it would have to be this here. No. Awesome. What is it writing to disk? What the hell is that about? Oh, and it actually measures in gigabytes instead of gigabytes. Cool. Audio editing. Add a source. Window capture. Audacity. Old classics, gotta love that stuff. Okay. And so if I move over here to draw, no. Control Shift K for Krita. Boom. Boom. And now we go back to Krita by doing this. But y'all can see me, yeah? Oh, I forgot to adjust the Wacom settings. Cool. Has touch ring, has touch grip, touch strip left, status LEDs right. Oh. Map hardware buttons. Please press button 1 on the tablet now. But do not click into it with the mouse. Okay. Oh, the lights move now. Number of available express keys. 8. Button 1 doesn't work. Great. Touch sensor, normal tablet, multi-device tablet, status LED light. Wait, let me guess. Oh, that's clever. But what if instead I did this? Oh, well, of course. not the problem. Okay, tablet detection is not what I wanted. Here we go. Tablet mode. Map buttons. App defined? I mean, I'd love to. Let's get out of that. Map to monitor. Display 2? Nope, wrong one. Display 4. Again, wrong one. It's display 0. Yes, keep the aspect ratio. If I'm drawing a circle, I'd like to draw an circle, please. As in an circle. You. Y'all saw that, right? Drew a damn near perfect circle on my first try without even trying. That feels good. I don't think the night's getting any better than that. I refuse to touch Windows ever again. This is amazing. I should show... Here. I should show y'all. Love to see it no matter how many years of experience, it still doesn't come too easy. Yeah, no, it's crazy. I just went like, oh yeah, if I just wanted to draw a fucking circle, like, I expected like an egg. But it just went, like, round. I was like, oh, I can do that. Okay, that's cool. So no, yeah, this right here, this line, despite having every program I am probably ever going to use for any creative endeavor of any sort open and running right now, I am in no danger of running out of memory. There's no worry. Well, then there's the gaming. Hang on. There we go. I'll tell you what. Let's play a game. I want to play some kind of game before I go to bed. Let's see how this Xbox controller works on Steam. If it even maps. If this maps, like first try, I'll be impressed. Oh, yo! We have a green light. Dude. Steam. Let's go. Summer sale still going on? Hell yeah! Poof. Let's see. Properties. Compatibility. Use the Proton hotfix. Yeah, install on this device, but... Hang on. Controller? Xbox controller. Okay. $34 gigs. Do I have... I mean, I have this. I have a flash drive. I can just stick this on for a minute. Show me, where is it? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, of course. Shh, it's okay. Oh, it's not formatted. Files. New window? I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna quit that music here for a minute. Next bit. Bring the chat over here so I can see it. Oh boy. Kill it. Come on. Give me my... Thank you. 4 terabyte volume. Where? Size. Yeah, I'm not waiting on that. What I would like to do is disk black hard shell floppy to computer. No. All right. 990 Pro. Format partition. Games. For use with all systems. Yeah, but don't bother erasing. Just format it. Bye-bye. I'm gonna empty out this flash drive so I can just throw a Steam game on it and mount it. Perfect. FAT32. Install. Add a drive. What? Games. No? Okay, let's do this instead. Discs 252. Settings. Format. Game. Don't bother password protecting, but empty it. Cool. Now, install, add a drive. This one. Select. Fine, I can always uninstall it later. Do it. Yep. I've only played 53 hours of this game and I've already beat the main story. How long is this gonna take? Oh. Oh, starting download. Okay. Those are the network statistics. Ha. That's fast. That downloaded in quite a hurry. Okay. Oh. Yep. Okay. 1 of 4? Oh, it's got to get the Proton packages. Of course. Of course it does, because everybody wanted to run on Windows. And then... Well, in the meantime, I'm going to have a look at something real quick. Just while that's running in the background. I live on this window. Top of this. Let's pick the money and pursue the rest of it was not best friends. This gradual step back for you. My plan is to send a couple of each month. Hey, down what you gave me since I moved in here. I also can't cover what I was able to. I don't know if the leasing house covered my cover. Chance I can count on you. Up to Oh. Wait, okay. Wait. Fucking... I thought I was blasting personal Discord shit to the world for a second there. Not so. Alright, with 30%, what I'm going to look up... I was going to look up something specific. Docker. Take it for a test drive. Once you try it, you might want to use. Just don't use it. No, I want to use it. Create a directory of your choice to hold the Docker compose YML and env files. Okay, sure. No wait, Control T. There we go. Let's see, we got a directory. Okay. Create a directory of your choice to hold the document. Okay, cd software. Make directory image cd image. Got it. Gotcha. Okay. Download Docker Compose YML. Okay, wget -0 .in no Docker compose.yml https://github.com image app. Oops. Image releases latest download example.env. Invalid option 0. Is it the letter O? It is. I put a 0, it should have been the letter O. Not found. Oh, wait. Latest download Docker compose.ym. Okay. Let me help out here. App which must not be named. Quick start. Docker. Sure. I made the right directory there. God, I love that feature. CD software image. Okay. Sudo apt install Docker. Okay. Well, Steam game's done downloading, so let's see if that worked. I want to see the stream change. Nope. Need for Speed Heat. Let's see if it even launches. Oh, the game should be running, right? Downloading content. Well, now what? No, 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 no. You don't get to play this game again. Okay. I think I'm done for the night. My system is in place. I can come back tomorrow after I've finished my chores and taken care of some stuff, and I can get started trying to make something. Thanks for tuning in, the both of you. I didn't want to feel alone doing this. So, even though nothing really got done, even though I banged my head against a brick wall for an hour and a half, you still tuned in, and that was really nice of you. So let me just say thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. Well, I say head to bed. I'm going to try and wait out Steam while it tries to install this game, just to make sure that I can still play games sometimes, because that's a thing I'd like to be able to do. Till then, y'all enjoy yourselves. Stay out of trouble. Don't, ow. Yeah. Nighty night, Georgie and Kari, both of yous.